Nice O-ring comes in there. A 1/8 inch hose. Nice and snug. This is a Neo BCN airbrush by Iwata. It fits perfect, super snug. Been using these for quite a while. I'm really hard on my airbrushes. I do temporary tattoos, airbrush tattoos, and so I break these down and set them up time and time again at festivals and different parties. I'll show you here. There's some air in there, and you hear no leaking. There's no leaking at all. So, good investment for your airbrushes. I also have some Harbor Freight cheap airbrushes that I have, and these work on those as well for backup.